Hey guys, good morning. Welcome to my vlog. Today is my first day of my sophomore year of college. I literally just woke up 5 minutes ago. Not my fave look, but I am about to vlog my day. I am gonna kind of start my morning routine. I'm gonna do a little face mask and listen to a podcast. If y'all haven't already watched my morning routine I posted like last week, I'm gonna like condense this part of it so you can see the rest of my day. But yeah, if you're new here, be sure to head on down below, hit that subscribe button, and if you want to leave a like, that'd be super helpful. But yeah, today I start my new year of college, which is just crazy. I just looked at my schedule for the first time since like, I don't know, since I changed it, and I don't have class until 11 a.m. What? Okay guys, I have finished doing my makeup look. I put on my outfit. I'll give you a little preview of my outfit, but I've just been checking stuff off my to-do list this morning. I found out kind of early on that my class is not at 10 a.m. like I originally thought. It's at 11, which is super nice. The reason I'm confused is because I just got swapped into it like a day ago, not because I'm that confused. I am going to like pack my backpack, I think, grab some breakfast with my friends. I need to turn in some forms. I'm just like doing random stuff that needs to be done because there's so much time before 11. It's 9 a.m. now, so I'm about to go to breakfast with my friends, but it's gonna be super fun and I'm so excited. Hello! Happy first day of school! I have to get my ID. That's why I'm slow.
You look very cute.
Thanks!
Breakfast.
Hey guys, I'm back from breakfast now. I'm about to go turn in some forms that my residents gave me because I'm an RA in college at my dorm, and then I'm going to take some first day pics. Gotta do that. Gotta get it for the gram. You know what I mean? I like start saying things kind of as a joke and then it just becomes too real that it's like there's no returning from that. Anyways, then I have to, I don't know, I guess pack my backpack. I'm almost ready to go. Breakfast was fun with my friends. I'm getting excited. I'm going to astronomy at 11 a.m. Okay guys, I think it's finally time. It's 10:30 now and I always get really stressed about going to places like on time / also just getting there in general. So I think I'm gonna do is go down and take another first day pic because I'm super extra, but I want it on this camera just so I can have that too. So I'm gonna go take one on this camera and then, I don't know, maybe I'll hang out downstairs and then walk over. I'm 30 minutes early. I feel like if it takes me 10 minutes to get there and find it, 20 minutes early is so early. Maybe I'll go down like 5 minutes. I don't even know. I'm just like, I'm ready to go. Little nervy, first day nervy, you know what I mean? I just wanna go there and get started and start off my year. Be really fun, but I think I'm gonna have to start doing outfit of the days in the haul. First day fit, I have this cool striped top on, my jean skirt. You literally can't see me, I'm sorry. I'm wearing my Birks. This is such an awkward angle. Got my backpack on, ready to go. Eat. Hey guys, just got back from lunch. My first class went really well. It is my astronomy, intro to astronomy class, and I was really excited because I actually ran into a bunch of people who lived where I lived last year, so kind of some familiar faces. And yeah, I went to lunch with some of my friends downstairs in the dining hall, and now I have like an hour until my next discussion. And I think what I'm gonna do is for one thing, I got some chocolate cake to go. So I'm gonna eat a little chocolate cake. Check this out. Yeah, so I'm gonna eat that really quick. And then I wanted to call my grandmother and talk to her about my first day of school. I was gonna do it now because I feel like if I wait, I just feel like I'll forget. It's just one of those days. So right now what I'm doing is I'm going onto Canvas, which is the system UT uses, kind of like Blackboard or some of the other ones. But so I am going through right now, I'm reading the syllabus for one of my online classes. Like I said, I have one online class. I'm reading the syllabus for my online class because it was not posted until I was in class earlier. And then, you know, I need to post a couple more things, get stuff done, meet some deadlines, but other than that, I'm kind of gonna chill. I think I'll probably leave 15 or 20 minutes early just to get early to that discussion group. Oh, my hair is whack right now, y'all. Okay, I just finished doing my like, I guess online orientation for my online class, like pre-class module thing we have to do. I'm gonna leave my camera here so the battery can charge. I'm gonna go to class now and I'll talk to you when I'm back. I'm back. Sarah just finished taking thumbnail pictures for me because she is an angel. I just moved my camera to set that up.
This is my halo.
Right? I love it. No, I filmed a room tour and I started taking apart my room, and now I'm gonna sit here and film a haul. This is what happens when school just starts and I'm not consumed by work.
Am I on this or are you on this?
Both, because I love you. You look so cute. This light, man, makes everyone look 10 times better when you're already gorgeous.
Ah.
Ashley's here now. Sarah just helped me take 3 thumbnails, which, oh my gosh. So this is my setup. I have all this stuff for a haul, but it's just like all a mess. My room looked perfect a few minutes ago for a dorm tour, and now it looks like this. The life of a YouTuber. Look at you.
I'm with Delta. So I'm not rushing. Push home alone.
Y'all are so funny. Remind me I need to vlog dinner. I'm a bad vlogger.
Alright, is it boom boom as an 80 pie or boom boom as a NutriBroom? The real ones to know.
Oh my gosh. Hey guys, I'm in my room again. It is almost 8 o'clock, which low-key I'm excited because I might put on pajamas soon. Who knows? Actually though, I'm wearing the same top I was earlier, but I put on shorts and I feel considerably more comfortable. But so now I really want to get a video up, and I'm gonna see if I can sit and do some editing. It's really weird when I film videos like this today because I'm like, I did stuff, I swear, but I'm like, I went to class, I filmed, I saw my friends. It's been really fun. I just had to talk to some girls about some things we went over in our hall meeting, and yeah, it's been kind of chill. Looks like the sun's about to set, and it's like my first time in my room tonight where I'm like not thinking about having to do like anything else. And I was gonna go hang out with my friends, and I still am, but I'm like, I think I'm gonna have a little me time. So I'm sitting here editing this video of me filming, of like a vlog clip that I filmed in this video. It's like videoception. Been sitting here editing for I don't even know how long. It's almost 11. Oh, just kidding. It's 10:17. I'm so much earlier than I thought. This is so fine. My goal today though, it's Wednesday and I upload on Wednesdays, but with everything with the move-in, I just hadn't had time to really film. I guess every time I had the downtime, I just like wasn't in it. And I don't know if y'all know this. I was telling someone this today. When it comes to filming, I feel like, you know how every YouTuber's like, oh, I'm exactly like I am on camera as I am in real life. And I'm like, that's only partially true for me. I'm either like extremely animated or like very calm, and there's not much in between. It's like, it's a roller coaster. But because of that, I don't really like to go on camera when I'm not feeling animated, because I just feel like when I am more hype and like more, I don't know, just upbeat, I feel like it translates better into video and on camera, and like, I don't know, I like watching that more. And I do think y'all get to see like touches of me being like the mellow me, but like, I don't know, I guess I'm being a little mellow right now. This video is just chill. But yeah, I don't know, I didn't want to film last week, so I filmed so much today, which is really great because that means I'm gonna get on top of it with my classes, get on top of it with my videos, and just be ready for the year and start off on a really great note, which I'm so happy about. I really hope y'all enjoyed this vlog. I know it's like, I don't know, kind of a weird way because it's like class and YouTube and friends, but like that's my life. This has like been a really fun day for me, getting to just kind of balance a few of my favorite things. I actually love school, so like even though I don't know, I really wasn't looking forward to school today. I don't think I like, well, okay, in the video I am because I was by today, but yesterday I was like not looking forward to school at all. And so I guess I'm glad that I was able to like wake up and get in the right mood for it and like get ready and do it. Tomorrow morning I have an 8 a.m. I am not happy about that because I don't even want to think about how early I have to wake up for it. But I have a class at 8 a.m. and then right after that I have a class at 9:30. But I'm going to be done by 11 tomorrow. And so I'm like, that's actually fine. You know what I mean? Like worst case, if I'm that tired, I'll just go to bed when I come back and take a nap. But I'm pretty sure like with how I'm doing, I just think that tomorrow will also be relatively chill as well. So that is what I'm up to. That is how my first day of college has been spent. I'm about to go see my friends now. So guys, I really hope you enjoyed this vlog. If you did, please be sure to leave a big thumbs up. You know how it is. That's kind of annoying. Sorry, y'all. But if you want to, head on down below, hit subscribe, turn on that bell notification. I'd love to see y'all back here again. I hope you have an amazing week. I hope your school year is going well so far if you started already. yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!